I think the term autoimmune is just a ridiculous term and it's a baseless term. There is, for me, when I look at the human body and how it responds to the way we feed it, everything is according to the way God made everything. I don't see the body doing anything out of its normal focus when it's on being attacked. And most people eat in such a way that they're attacking their own body with the substances they're putting in them. So when you're putting these kind of foods in a human body, dead tissue, milks that have been cooked until they're almost plastic, milks period beyond the age of 2, starch at the level of man's eating, starch, grains, crap, high proteins, beans, all the dead stuff, the huge amount of nuts, all the huge amount of seeds, all these things. The body's response to all of this it is a given. And you have to understand that these type of foods damage the human body, and particularly the eliminative organs, the GI tract and the colon, because of the chemistry they set up in the body. So your body responds to acidosis. What's the problem? Acidosis, inflammation. Let's transfer the word inflammation, which is a defined immune response, to what? And you're always going to find at the core of all problems that the acid chemistry dominates the problem, not base chemistry. Now, there are base chemistry problems, no question. Most problems are acid chemistry problems, acidosis, because man's diet is highly acidic, not highly alkaline. So you have to understand that this body's responding according to its needs. So when acids start building up in tissue or things are too acidic, what aspects, what does the body use as prednisone? What does the body use as an antacid, or let's just use their word, anti-inflammatory, same thing. Antacid, anti-inflammatory, same thing. What would you use? You would use anything that dominates in base chemistry. Cholesterol is the body's main antacid, remember that? Calcium is a big antacid. We can steal out of everybody's bones, connective tissue, teeth, fingernails, and everywhere else, and we do. So those are the two that you see as you run too far down the acid road. There goes your sodium and your chlorides, and you'll see that. And when you see your sodiums go low, hope it's just the adrenal glands. The medical community says that I am making antibodies, autoantibodies. Your body only is protecting itself and defending itself. Always remember that. Your job is to fix the why it's doing that, because it's not going to stop until you do that. And the problem is, if you suppress the body's doing that, that makes things much worse when you stop it. Things explode. And that's not the order of the day. We got to quit suppressing and making people hold their acids until it breaks them down. That's medical thinking. Naturopathic thinking, true naturopathic thinking, is to expectorate, to clean, to get these acids out and fix why your body isn't moving them well. The body's not trying to attack itself. It's trying to deal with damaged cells because they become part of the problem. I know that I need to clean out the acidosis in my tissues through detoxification. I also know that I have kidney weakness due to lupus nephritis. We keep blaming. See, here's the thing. This lady is blaming lupus for damaging her kidneys. And this is part of the problem that I'm trying to shift in you guys. Quit blaming diseases for our problems. They're illusionary. They don't exist. What damages kidneys? Lupus? What's lupus? Besides acidosis, virals, and things like that. But, you know, see what I'm saying? We're blaming some made-up conditions or blaming nature for our problems instead of who do we blame. But don't blame a disease for the kidneys. Blame proteins. Blame chemistry that you're bringing into your body. You're the one shoveling it in. Is my immune system attacking my kidney tissue, causing nephritis? Please, you got to understand, it's acids causing nephritis. Acids, acids. And just what you said, the kidney tissue is very damaged by acids, absolutely. And what's the next word that links to acids? Proteins.